Let's perform the following subtraction. Negative 35 minus negative 18 minus a negative 20. For us to find the answer, we'll perform our operations from left to right. So we'll first find negative 35 minus negative 18 to come up with an answer, and then subtract a negative 20 from that for our final answer. For every subtraction problem, we'll use the subtraction of signed numbers properties, which says when subtracting signed numbers, change the problem to an addition problem and change the sign of the second number. So for example, in subtracting negative 35 minus a negative 18, we'll change this to adding a negative, or adding a positive now, 18. So we now have negative 35 plus 18. Well, when adding two signed numbers, if the signs are different, we'll subtract their absolute values and keep the sign of the bigger number in the answer. So the absolute value of negative 35 is 35. The absolute value of 18 is 18. When we subtract this, we try to subtract 8 from 5, and we can't. So we'll borrow from the 3 to make that a 2, and change 5 to 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our result will be 17. And further, since the sign of our number, our larger number, is negative between 35 and 18, we'll keep the sign of the bigger number. That means negative 35 plus 18 is negative 17. Let's write down the rest of our work now. Minus a negative 20. Again, we're subtracting signed numbers. So when subtracting, we'll change the problem to addition and change the sign of the second number. So this will become adding a positive 20. Let's rewrite this. Negative 17 plus 20. We now are adding two signed numbers with different signs. So when adding them, and the signs are different, we'll subtract their absolute values and keep the sign of the bigger number. So subtracting their absolute values will be 20 minus 17, which results in 3. And since 20 is a bigger number than 17, and it's positive, our answer will be positive. So our final answer will be 3.